Just hanging out here with my birds. Got a little dance party. Yeah. We're celebrating. We're getting close to 500. You guys are just amazing. Very, very inspiring. And ready to get going. But these guys need their own house. I was doing some research last night on what I wanted to do. I think I've got an idea. We're gonna make them a nice big old giant tree house with a looking window, and I think I know a place I want to do it too. So let's head on outside and see if we can put this together. All right, let's do this. Oh, hi there. He loves me. All right, we're out here in this little makeshift forest that I made when I was getting all the wood for the creeper farm. Couple things I want to show you out here real quick. There's one of them. Oh, hello, my friend. Got some bees. All right, there's another one right here. So we'll get back to messing with the bees here in a little bit and start getting some honey and some honey blocks. But for today, right about, I don't know, maybe here, I want to make a big, giant, custom tree. And it's going to be a little bird sanctuary. I'm tired of the birds making all their noises inside my house and slurping and grunting and groaning. So we're going to make a giant, custom treehouse bird sanctuary for my birds. I think this is a pretty good spot right here. We'll be able to see it from the house. Anyway, I watched a video. A gentleman in my other world, Coach Abel's World Tour, which I haven't done in a while. I apologize. I'll get back to doing that pretty soon. I've got a real neat castle that I built following this gentleman, and I like the way he set up his treehouse, so we're gonna give it a shot. So let's lay it out a little bit. We're gonna go.
These are just blocks to let me know where stuffs are gonna go. I think that's right in the middle of where I actually want it to go. Let's move this over a little bit. All right, there we go. I think we go 5. Is it 5? 1, 2. Whoa. 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me check. Yeah, that's 5. And you do another one. 1, 2, 3, 4. No on the inside. Is it nighttime already? Where does the time go? Alright, so we're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And another one. And then we're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's the layout for our treehouse. Is that what we want? Sure. Then we're going to go up 18 total. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. We're going to do the same thing, and this will be the height that we want our trees to grow. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Now for the fun part. Should be wherever our little group of 4 is. I'm going to put down a giant tree. Wonder if these need to be out of the way too. Let's try it. And then you do this. And nothing happens. And then you do this. And, there we go. Cool. Okay. We'll do the same thing over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that gonna block it? I think he said I've got to go up there and clear that out. Let's Yeah. Boy, these jungle trees aren't wanting to cooperate, are they? Maybe 18 was too low. Can we change the height? So then that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It'd be these four. We'll do 20 on this one. See if that brings. All right, so that's gonna be right there. All right. And like this. Like this. And hooray! So it was me not being able to count to 5. I mean, is there an outside chance that would work? It did. In the first place. Oh no! My cow lost his head. Oh. Can we have that kind of luck on this last one? Do it. Do it. Don't be a thunderstorm. I'm busy. Come on. Come on. Just do it. Come on. Yeah. Hooray. So we've got the start to our bird sanctuary house thing. So let me get this cleaned up a little bit and get some work done on it, and I'll be right back. Sorry, sheep. Alrighty, guys, want to give you a quick update on our tree sanctuary of awesomeness. It's looking nice, coming together good. Oh, I don't know what we got going on there. We'll attach that at some point in time, but yeah, we just got the whoop. You saw nothing. Yeah, I mean it's looking pretty cool. So I'll keep on chipping away here, and we'll come back and show you what we got. All right, guys, ready for an update on our tree sanctuary? Oh, we got a cute little baby pink sheep running around. Isn't that cute? What? Oh, look at that. Got our doorway in, huh? There's our front door. Looking good. Our back door, it's a little different, but we'll probably never, ever even use it. But it's there for zombies to break down, so. Anyway, that's where we're at. I think we're getting ready for the big window part, but that's looking pretty sweet. All right, we'll be back. Alrighty, guys, we're back after a nice morning of building here. You can see the result over there. I'm at the beautification process. One of my favorite parts, but boy, that's cool. So now we're just going to go around and beautify it. And there's some places he said that these work. I think right here. Yeah, let's go there. Let's do the same thing on this side. We can just go around spamming up some yeah. Let's go with you there. And we'll go you there, you there. I don't want to do too much now. Let's not get carried away. He went, was it all the way here? And he duded these up. Whoops. Yeah, Yeah. All right, let's sleep. Come on, come on. And then just for some added beautification, we're just gonna run around doing this. Yeah. Make a couple of them too tall. I gotta have them too tall, unless there's a vine right there. And we'll do some of this. Whoops. Get some of these, a little of this, a little of that, a little of this, a little of that, a little of this. We're gonna make a proper path there. I just bone mealed, huh? There we go. Look at that. Oh, look at that. That is awesome. Awesome, awesome. I don't know where my paths are gonna go just yet, but I know we're gonna have them. So we could come in here and go, okay, that'll give me a couple more flowers I can go. But anyway, you get the idea. Let me beautify this a little bit, and I'll come back and show you a finished exterior, at least. Oh. Move, horse. Fine. You win. Oh, a baby donkey. Ha 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 ha. You can stay. There is our new bird sanctuary. Gonna take a break here for a little bit, but when I come back, we can work on the interior just a little bit. And it's just going to be a place to get them noisy birds away from me. So, I might go droop some more vines just because we got them. Bird sanctuary. Fantastic. Alright guys, it's time to move these guys to their new home. I figured I would just take them all at once. What could possibly go wrong? So, let's stand, let's stand, let's stand, let's stand, and let's stand. Alright, nobody get on my shoulders now. We're just gonna be... now they teleport through doors and stuff, right? Yeah, there they come. Oh, no, don't let them land on me. We got some new paths made here. Look at that thing. That's awesome. That turned out really neat. Alright, let me get inside. Oh, they're coming. They're coming. Okay. Now, what are the chances of them coming in here? Oh no.
Okay, sit. Alright, everybody's sitting. I'm just on the wrong side. Let's see here if I can do this without pushing anybody. Here. Hello, my minions, now, go. Oh no. They will never come off of me in here, will they? Not a chance. So I'm gonna have to go outside and break a window just to get you birds off of me, huh? That's what you're telling me? Oh, and there's my birds. Okay, no! You're all sitting. What? No! Oh, man. Oh, come on. Give me a break. Oh, I gotta close that off, don't I? There we go. We're all friends. There we go. No, you were sitting. No! You don't get on my shoulder when you sit. Silly bird. I'll turn on some slamming tunes here in just a second. No! Oh, yeah, why not? I mean, you wanna hop on too? I mean, let's just go. Why not? No, sit. Good dog. Heel. Where'd he go? Are you flipping kidding me? Do not get on my shoulder. There you go. Ah! Go that way. You gotta go. I gotta put glass there. Go. 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 Get out of the corner. Go. What is your malfunction? Go! Yes! Ha! Don't move. I was gonna go play a music disc for him, but this has been ridiculous. Alright, everybody's sitting. They can't follow me. Huh?
No, how am I gonna get the shut off? You know what? I'm not gonna mess with it right now. Sorry guys, no dance party. No. It's been 20 minutes, son, that I've been trying to get these guys in here without them climbing on my shoulder or... Right. And they should all stay there, right? Because everybody's sitting. Huh? Right? They don't come to me. We good? All right, guys, there is the new bird sanctuary. I don't know if I will ever go back to that house again. I'm kidding. It turned out really nice. Got a couple paths. This one takes you back down to the, it's going to go back to the main paths. This one over here goes more towards my house. So starting to come together. Let's go work on them bees for a little bit, eh? All right. Alrighty, guys, back at the beehive. I'm not 100% on the mechanics, but I'm pretty sure that all I have to do is put a fire down here, and then I can shear the honeycomb without getting my face eaten. All right. What I'm wanting to do is make a couple more beehive, bee nest, these things, beehives, and I can make one now. All right, I need to get this out of here. All right, so I need some of this and some more of this, and there we go. There's our first beehive. What do we want to set it up on? Just a nub, a little stumpy. Go like this and like this. We're going to want these to start getting closer to each other. So let's go this way. Let's put this right here. And let's put this right here. But how am I going to get a fire underneath it then? Didn't think that one through, did I? Well, how else do you set up a beehive? Okay. Like that. And where's my shears? All right, everybody's friends here. Hey, there we go. All right, so we need to make another. Oh, there they are. Oh, let's breed them up. Give me this and give me this. All right, I need adults. You and you. Make a baby. Yay, baby bee. That's so cool. All right, so they're going to need another house down here. How does this work? Like that? They're going to move in there? Oh, I guess so. That makes... All right, let me spend some time cleaning up this little bee area, and we'll see what we can come up with. Donkey, what are you doing down here? Oh, watch out, donkey. Oh no, you made me hurt my donkey. No, no. Turned out pretty nice, didn't it, sis? All right, guys, we're here in the bird sanctuary. Go out the back door. You got this nice little path. You can frolic through the woods if you so desire. You come upon our nice little bee havens. You all better be haven. Let's do a little of this. Oh, there's nothing there to do. How about we breed them up then at least, sis, right? A little of this, a little of this. And we'll go you and you. And make a little baby. There he is. That's pretty cute. It's actually adorable for bees. Then you can come over here. You can take your honeycomb. So there's our bee station number 1. And then we go down to bee station number 2. And that's our bees. So I think that'll wrap this episode up, guys. We got the birdhouse over there. We got the bee places. I don't know what you call bee places. Bee stuff. But again, thanks for watching. And moonwalking. All right, guys. So thanks for watching. Thanks to all my new subscribers. You guys are awesome. I hope this met everybody's standards, and I don't know what we're going to do next. I know we got a wither fight coming up here real soon. I got the Wither Skull farm going really strong. We'll go check in on it and see how many skulls we're up to. But I think we're ready for that. Might do... maybe leave me a comment what kind of end dragon challenge I could do. Maybe like an all leather, all wood tool challenge, or something like that. We can go fight the dragon again. But again, I could not be more happy with the amount of people that are subscribing and watching and making me happy. So thank you so much, guys. We'll see you next time, and keep playing. This is fun. All right, bye-bye.